Today we're going to do a quick video on image generation, and we might just also expand it to story generation as well. We're going to use AI Studio, which is a product by Google, and it utilizes their AI technology called Gemini. So I want the video to be as quick as possible with the intention of just diving in, and people have the ability to start following along. So you may pause the video and try it on your side as well. But the intent is to start using it and to learn and to learn on your own. So please go beyond what I'm about to show you. And this is just the beginning and some basic prompts or prompting that we'll be using today. So the website is aistudio.google.com, and you'll sign in using your Google profile. Let's be quick. They already have some prompts loaded that you can try out. So let's quickly have a look at that. Image editing. So editing an image of a croissant or croissant. And let's click on that. They say add some chocolate drizzle. And you'll see this is loading. And this is quite quick. That was just under 7 seconds. And it actually did it quite well, in my opinion. But you can add to this. So let's say I don't want to be too detailed, but just give it a high level prompt. Add some apples. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's see how quick it is as well. Oh, okay, physically added an apple. What I've noticed is as you do this, the more you do it or prompt it on the previous picture, the quality will deteriorate slowly. So you can actually go to this initial picture, do a branch from here, and it'll open a new prompt, and you can just add the apple there without the chocolate drizzle. Let's see if I add chocolate drizzle and apples. Okay. Did something similar, and then you can see some apples in the background. It's not too clear, but this quality should be better than going on to the third one. Anyways, let's go back to this. So what I like about this is that you can play around with your edits as well. So let's go here, and we can edit this, and we can say apples and strawberries, and then you stop editing and rerun this turn. So it'll take the image from here and rerun this third image. This is not bad. So there's some strawberries, apples, they're all prominent. So that came out quite cool. Okay, let's create our own picture and play around with that. So create prompt. I have a picture of my profile. So upload file. There's Satoshi Bagger, upload. Please add Bitcoin shaped spectacles to this picture, and also create laser eyes. Let's incorporate my love for Bitcoin in this tutorial. Okay, let's see what this does. I haven't tried this. Okay. You can obviously play around with this. Wouldn't be my first take. But yeah, you get the idea. And then you can also, let's add something. What I've noticed is if you want to keep the background and stuff the same, you can use the term same scene. But you guys just need to play around with it. I'm not going to do that at the moment. So let's please make this a full portrait. from head to feet, add orange tackies and orange gloves. Keep the orange onesie. Is that how you spell it? It's onesie. Let's see what it does. I've actually been wanting to try this out for a while. Okay. Clearly not the same onesie, but I'm sure you can play around with it and edit it. You can also like ask or prompt to change the direction of the head, like for example looking into the sky or something like that. I've tried other pictures and they have worked. Okay, so I did say that I want this video to be quick. Oh, also before I forget, just make sure that this is on Gemini image generation and experimental. Okay, let's try another. I really like these visual stories, like to create stories for your kids. It's actually quite phenomenal. So there's already one that's done. Let's click on it and see. So generate a story about a white baby goat going on an adventure in a farm in a 3D cartoon animation style. For each scene, generate an image. So as you can see, this is obviously generating a nice story. It's quite cool. I think that every time I try it's a different one, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's try and create our own. Let's upload Bagger's picture. Where's that? Okay, cool. I wonder if we create a story here. Generate story about Satoshi Bagger going on an adventure in a farm. 3D. Okay, cool. Incorporate the text. I just want to remove this here for now and see what happens. Okay, and try this out. Okay, see the pictures? It doesn't incorporate the picture if you just generate the story. Okay, cool. So you get the idea. I'm just going to stop this here. I'm going to go and edit this and just incorporate the attached image. Stop editing and rerun this turn. Let's see what it does. Okay, didn't do it. Did change the picture, but it's not the same. Ensure that the person is the picture attached. Let's try that out and rerun. Person has changed again, but it's not incorporating it. Okay, but I think you can play around with it. I have tried this before, and you have to mention the image, and it does bring it up. But I see it's not working here. But obviously, you can play around with this and just try different things. Yeah, so that's a nice short video. This tool is so much more. You can go and create prompt. Please, like coding and stuff in development. Like, please create a Python code to scrape a website for information. This is very, very vague. I'm not sure it's going to do it, but it's not going to know which website and stuff. But okay, there you go. So it's given you a basic code, but obviously you can be much more detailed here to include the website, the content that you actually want to scrape, and you can develop programs using this tech. People create games, you create code, so it's actually quite a phenomenal piece of tech. And my intention is for you guys to start using it. If you guys like this video, please comment and ask me to create different types, and I will. But yeah, the main aim here is for people to learn and start using it. Thank you so much.